Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the world of baby essentials, and we've got something truly special to talk about. If you're a parent or soon-to-be parent, listen up because we're about to introduce you to the best Baby Swaddle blanket on the market. Introducing the Baby Swaddle blanket by BlueMello. This ultra-soft plush essential is designed to provide maximum comfort and security for infants aged 0 to 6 months. Made from premium quality faux cashmere, this swaddling wrap is a must-have for every nursery. Let's talk about what sets this swaddle blanket apart from the rest. First off, the luxurious softness is unmatched. Crafted from a soft cashmere material, this blanket becomes even softer with daily use, providing your little one with the ultimate comfort. But what really makes this blanket stand out is its hypoallergenic and odor-resistant properties. Made with 100% natural faux cashmere and free from harsh dyes or chemicals, it's super gentle on your baby's delicate skin, making it perfect for even the most sensitive little ones. Now, versatility is key when it comes to baby products, and this swaddle blanket delivers. Whether you're using it as a stroller blanket, a nursery essential, or a cozy sleeping sack for your toddler, the possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about its gifting potential. Whether you're shopping for your own bundle of joy or looking for the perfect baby shower gift, this swaddle blanket is sure to impress. With its lovely colors and unisex design, it's suitable for both baby boys and baby girls. So there you have it, folks. The Baby Swaddle blanket by BlueMello is truly the best of the best when it comes to keeping your little one snug and secure. Don't settle for anything less than the absolute best for your baby. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you next time.